If you struggle to curl your hair with a straightener, then you might want to try a wand. In today's video, I'm showing you how to curl your hair using 3 different curling wand sizes. You'll see how each one creates a totally different curl, what hair types they work best for, and how big of a section you should be curling for the best results. If you love hair tutorials like this, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I've also linked some free resources in the description below, so check those out if you are interested. Let's get into it. Here's a quick rundown of what I'm using today. So we have the GHD 0.5 inch, the T3 1 inch and the T3 1.5 inch curling wands. The T3 wand is interchangeable, so you can just swap the barrels over, which is great. I'm also using Milkshake's Thermoprotect Heat Protectant Spray. Always use a heat protectant, it's super important to avoid damage. To section the hair, I like to take 3 sections from the front of the head to the back, but if you do have thicker hair, you may need to take more sections. Just a quick tip, for finer hair, use a lower heat setting, and for thicker or coarse hair, you'll need a slightly higher heat to get the curls to stay. First up is the 0.5 inch curling wand. This one is the smallest and it's perfect for super tight curls, defined spirals and lots of volume. It's great if you have short to medium hair, fine hair that struggles to hold a curl, or if you want curls that will last for a few days. When using the 0.5 inch barrel, I recommend working with small sections about ½ an inch wide. Smaller sections mean the curls will form tighter and last longer. A good rule of thumb is to take sections as wide as your curling wand. So I'm wrapping the hair tightly around the wand, holding it for about 7 to 10 seconds and then releasing. And you can see how bouncy the curl is. It does take longer because you're doing more sections, but the result, so worth it if you want tons of body and texture. Next is the classic 1 inch wand. If you only have one curling wand, this is the one I'd recommend. It's best for all hair types, fine, medium and thick, shoulder length to long hair and everyday curls or beachy waves. For the 1 inch wand, grab medium sections about 1 inch wide. Medium sections give you that perfect mix of volume and wave without it looking too tight or too loose. So wrap the hair around the barrel. You can hold it a little looser for a softer curl or tighter for a firmer curl. Hold for about 8 to 10 seconds and gently release. It gives that effortless classic curl that works for literally any occasion. Last but not least, the 1.5 inch wand. This one is for those big, loose glam waves. Think Hollywood, red carpet or supermodel hair. It's great for thick hair that needs softer, looser styles. I'm wrapping larger sections of hair around 1.5 inches wide, holding for between 10 to 20 seconds and gently letting it go. Bigger sections help create that soft, blown out look instead of tight curls. See how the curls are looser and more relaxed? This size is perfect if you have medium to long hair and you love that soft, bouncy, blown out look. The curls don't last as long as tighter ones, but they are gorgeous while they last. And here's all the single curls next to each other for comparison. Here's a quick side-by-side of all 3 looks fully curled. So we have the 0.5 inch for defined tight curls and best for fine short hair. The 1 inch for classic versatile curls, perfect for all hair types. And the 1.5 inch for big soft waves, best for thick long hair. They all give a totally different look depending on your vibe. Here's a few quick tips to get the best curls no matter what size you use. Always curl away from your face for a more open look. Don't touch the curls right away, let them cool first so they set better. If you want longer lasting curls, lightly spray each section with a flexible hold hairspray before and after you curl. This can also act as an extra layer of heat protection. If you're curling away from the face, this is how it will look at the back to connect. Just do one final curl in either direction, and when you brush it out, it will blend seamlessly together. And for softer, more natural waves, brush out the curls with your fingers, a wide tooth comb or a brush once they've cooled. And remember, smaller sections equals tighter curls, larger sections equals looser waves. And that's a wrap. I hope this helped you figure out which curling wand might be best for your hair goals. Comment below and let me know, are you team tight curls, classic waves or big loose glam? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe for more hair tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.